Hello there, so let's improve your high poly shape again. For that I know two useful ways to do it. One of them is you add a modifier, and this should be a subdivision surface modifier. You click on simple and you put it a little higher and then click on apply. Now if you go into edit mode, there are lots of vertices. And this is great because now you can go to the sculpting tool. So the sculpting tool allows you to change the surface of your object by adding, subtracting, and stuff like that. So for it to be very visible, I will add to the strength and make the radius bigger for now. And now I click with the coin and you can see it changes the surface of this coin. This coin probably doesn't have an ideal surface for it, but you can see you can add height to those vertices. You can also do the opposite. You can go to subtract and make little bumps like this. Here I obviously did too much bump, so you might want to put the strength down again, like this maybe. And this could be a way to make it look older. Like you could, for example, say, okay, well, this edge here is a little too sharp, so let's make this a little. Obviously, again, this is too strong, but you see what I mean. Okay, another option is to import an vector graphic, so an SVG file. For that, go to File, Import, and then Scalable Vector Graphics, and you choose one, open it, and now it's over here. Before you can move it, you have to select it all, and now let's do this, and so we have it here. One problem is it consists of 5 curves, so we press Ctrl and click J. Sometimes this is a little weird and you have to click on the window itself, but now it's one curve. Next up, right click, convert to mesh. Now you have a mesh of this, so you can do whatever you can do with other parts of your object. Now one thing that is important is to check if the face orientation is correct. For that, go to this little arrow here and click face orientation. If everything is blue, that's great. Perfect. If it's red, you have to switch it around. But now it's perfect, so let's leave it. Next up, go to modifiers and add a solidify modifier. What this does is it makes your coin, your image 3D. You can also like make it higher or lower or whatever. Let's keep it like this for now, and then apply this, and now you can obviously also make it bigger and stuff. So now you have a 3D object, and you can use the bevel tool and stuff like that to make it even better, and then join it with your coin by again pressing Ctrl and J, and then it's one object.